which has existed for more than 100 years now. Now, Jamshedji Tata set up world's high quality steel plant more than 100 years ago, somewhere in a place in Bihar, which is now known as Jamshedpur. So what Mr. Tata was doing, what Jamshedji Tata was doing? Jamshedji Tata was converting resources into result by setting up that world-class steel plant at that time. What was he doing? He was converting resources into result, meaning what? Meaning he had some capital, and he realized as a businessman, that if this country has to prosper, this country to which I belong, if it has to prosper, this country would need a lot of steel. So if this country would lot of steel, that being a citizen of this country, it is my responsibility to work towards that objective so that my country gains, my country benefits. So what he was doing, he was converting resources into result. That means what? जो उनके पास में capital थी, knowledge थी, drive था, vision था, उन्होंने उसको इकट्ठा करके क्या किया? उस समय पे एक world का top class steel plant बनाया. So now what do you do? Having converted resources into result, यानी कि आपकी जो capital आपने लगा के एक दुनिया का बेहतरीन स्टील प्लांट बनाया. What do you do? Now what you do is, now you convert result into resources. Meaning what? Now that you have built a world's finest steel plant by converting resources into result, now what you do? Now you convert the result into resources. क्या मतलब है इसका? इसका मतलब ये है कि स्टील बनाइए, प्रोड्यूस करिए, मार्केट में सेल करिए, सेल करेंगे तो आपको पैसा मिलेगा, that means what you are doing, you are converting result into resources. So how do you create value? You create value by converting resources into result and result into resources. And why do you do it? So as to make positive difference in others' life and contribute to nation's economy. And that is the purpose of any business in any part of the world. So what is the purpose? The purpose is, if you want to sum it up differently, you can say purpose of a business is to create value by making profit, or purpose of a business is to make profit by creating value. Either way you say, and this is going to stand as it is. Now अगर आप सोचेंगे इसके बारे में तो आपको ध्यान में आएगा converting resources into result is growth, yes or no? तो जो आप capex करते हो, so when you are taking a project of capex, now what you are doing in capex, you are converting resources into result. So that is growth, because your capex, why do you do capex? You do capex because you want your business to grow bigger in size, and converting result into resources is profit, isn't it? So आपने capex किया, वो capex से आपको obviously why you are converting the result into resources, that is profit. And so as to make positive difference in others' life and contribute to the nation's economy, and this is what is corporate governance. So a lot of people talk about corporate governance, and very rightly so. I'm sure all of you must also be experiencing. Today the whole world is talking in terms of corporate governance. And corporate governance, remember, is becoming relevant not only for the listed companies, it is also becoming relevant for the unlisted companies. Any business, corporate governance is becoming issue. And as a matter of fact, I'm sure you must have heard many times, पूरी दुनिया में अगर एक कंपनी कॉर्पोरेट गवर्नेंस कंप्लाइंट है तो उस कंपनी को ज़्यादा बिजनेस वैल्यूएशंस मिलते हैं बजाय उस कंपनी के जो कि कॉर्पोरेट गवर्नेंस कंप्लाइंस नहीं है. So this is what is your converting resources into result is growth, and result into resources is profit, and to make positive difference is corporate governance. Now the question is, how the business empires are built. How the business empire